Tip of the day. Use Cumulative Volume Delta to break down trades by size and see who's really moving the market. Start by heading to the Indicators section. Go to Orderflow and Open Interest, scroll to the bottom, and select Volume Delta Cumulative 3 times. This lets us track small, medium, and large trade buckets separately. Now, configure each one. For small trades, set the filter to show orders greater than 0 and less than 1K. For medium trades, use 1K to 100K. For large trades, set it from 100K to 10 million. Once set, you'll get a layered view of how each trade size group is behaving. Let's say small trade volume is rising, while medium and large are dropping. That's a divergence worth noting. It might suggest retail is active while bigger players are stepping back, or vice versa. With this setup, you can spot who's driving price, identify imbalances, and gain a much deeper read on the market, all through bucketed volume delta. Try it out inside Hyblock's terminal.